Hey everybody, and welcome back to Farm Girl in Progress. I am Nadine. In the last video you saw me getting the concrete out of the way and digging a hole for the pond. In this video I am going to show you how I'm going to repair the 10 or so inch crack in the side of the pond that we got. Some of the products that I got are a coarse sanding block, a glue brush, and some JB Weld Marine Weld. And we're just going to do our best to fix up this pond. So let's head over to the pond and kind of show you what I'm working on. Alrighty guys, so here is the crack in our pond liner here. I've already gone ahead and scraped off all of the silicone that somebody had put on here previously to fix the crack. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a household cleaner, clean off any dirt that's remaining, and then I'm going to use this sanding block and scuff it up a little bit, because you want to make sure that the glue has a little bit of a rough surface to cling to. And then I'm going to be using this JB Weld Marine Weld to kind of glue this back together and seal it up. And hopefully that works better than the silicone that somebody had used in the past. So let me get you guys set up on a tripod. I'm going to try to record this as best I can. It's kind of in an awkward spot. So forgive me if footage is absolutely awful on this video, but I wanted to take you guys along on the ride on how I'm fixing our pond liner and what I'm doing. I also got this little glue brush. I like that it had this kind of flat chisel end that I could spread any glue out that gets on the outside edges here. So let me get you guys set up and then we'll get started on this repair job. So what's really cool about the JB Weld is it came with its own little mixing tray in the packaging. So I'm going to squirt a little bit out on here, mix it with a little mixing stick that they sent, and then we're going to do our best to patch this together. So the instructions say to clean the area. Yes. So to clean the area, which we've already done, and then it says after removing the replaceable cap, press down on the plunger, that's this, and squeeze equal amounts into a disposable surface and mix thoroughly. So that's what we're going to do. We're just going to use the little mixing tray that it came with and the mixing stick, and then we're going to apply it in an even coat on the crack, and then it should set in about 5 minutes and cure in an hour. So let's give it a shot. I'm gonna open it up here. Alright, so I think it is set enough where I can let it go now. That is the inside. I sealed it on the back as well. So now we just wait and hopefully this works. Once it's completely dry and I see how well it worked or how well it didn't work, we can kind of take the next steps as to how to go about making sure that this pond liner is fixed. It is going to dry white, which isn't exactly super attractive, especially on a black pond liner. So what I can do once everything's dry and I know it's fixed is I can get some black silicone and go over top of it and smooth it out real nice and kind of cover the white patch job. But for now, the main thing is to make sure that the crack is kind of glued back together and it's not going to leak water anywhere. So first steps are done and now we just wait. Alrighty guys, it has been 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. And I'd say that this patch job worked out pretty well. It seems pretty sturdy to me. What I'll probably do now is tomorrow scuff it up a bit with the sander because it's still just a little on the tacky side, and that just might be the product itself, but and then just go over it with some black silicone to cover the white, or even black paint. I'm not sure, probably silicone would be better, but I think it turned out pretty well. So that is how I fixed a hard plastic pond liner. I don't know if it was the right way, but it worked. So if you guys found this video helpful or informative in any way, please subscribe. Make sure you give the video a like on your way out. It really helps the channel out for me. And as always, I appreciate everything you guys do for me. You guys make this possible. So thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.